Hello, Landria Anka here, founder of DigitalExplorers.net. I have to say that because, .com wasn't available. Hey, so today I want to tell you that there are so many other options for you to promote yourself. So whether you have an online business or not, you need to know some of these things, because if you know what's available to you, you'll realize that this could be a lot easier than you expected to start making money in other areas using the internet. Now, as you know, I teach people to own their business. Yeah, own your business. Have multiple income streams. And to place a real business strategy behind whatever you do. Without those three things, you're really just a salesperson out there on a commission basis. We don't want to do that. But I just saw something coming over from Amazon. Now I'm an influencer, so I am privy to some things that other people aren't, but I want to share this with you because this is available for you. Amazon has an Ads Academy. Did you know that? Yeah, an Ads, what? It came over and it's teaching me, and I just signed up for it. How do you place ads on Amazon? Ads on Amazon? I didn't even think there were ads on Amazon. So apparently, of course, all of these platforms, they want to gain as much revenue streams as possible. I'll give you another example. On YouTube, there are multiple ways to earn on YouTube. One of them is soon to be courses. You can actually create courses right in YouTube. It's getting so amazingly expansive. You could create memberships. I'm in their influencer beta program. They invited me in there to start doing things that the rest of the public isn't doing. They're sort of testing it on us. But it's an amazing opportunity to test these things, because those are revenue streams I normally wouldn't get. They get money for doing that, 70% if you create memberships right off your YouTube. But you have to earn that. So if you aren't online yet, or you're online and you're not really putting 100% in, you're missing out on great opportunities to get these automated ways to produce income for you. And they're giving us all the tools possible to get us to be profitable. Okay, so paid ads on Amazon. Not sure if that applies to me. I'm doing coaching, but I'm going to take the course because I'm always learning. Never stop learning. So another thing I want to share with you is I have free webinars and masterclasses, because every time you learn something from somebody who is out there in the trenches and has accomplished certain goals that you want to, you're learning something new. You're getting educated on what you want to do. What is your dream? What is your goal? I see so many people wanting to earn online, but they don't realize what it takes. And the last thing that you should do is have your job and your income, and then run around trying to make this side income. You're working twice as hard. That makes absolutely no sense. I recommend you create a real business, and it could be one that is small. It could be one that, 7 figures or more. It's up to you. And if you go after that and you do it properly and you own that business, not just side income, you can actually quit that other job. So what is it you want? The training, the opportunities are out there. They keep giving us more and more and saying, here, we'll help you. We want you to be successful, and I want you to be successful. So if you want to learn those 5 steps and you haven't seen the 5 steps to success, absolutely have to get that in check. Then you may want to watch my masterclass. And I also share why businesses fail online. It's a simple fix. Are you taking advantage? You want to reach global audiences. Most of all, imagine what good things you could do, feeling good about changing the planet and earning money doing that. Well, it's up to you. If you're not in my email list, you can click and join. Check out my free stuff. And if you're ready to start learning how to create an online business that you own, multiple income streams, doing something you absolutely love, no one can get on my platform unless they have good things for our planet in mind and good things for you. Get healthy, get happy, earn doing that. I welcome you to my free stuff. And for those of you who've already seen it, maybe you need to watch it again. All those links are here for you. I'll see you in the next video.